to share that those are required. Leadership skills. So as a student, I'm hoping that you are taking advantage of opportunities of being a part of organizations. I explained how I'm a member of CSCMP. I'm a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. I'm a commissioner in the community. These opportunities help you along your way in your journey. So as a student, take advantage of those opportunities to be a part of organizations on campus, because that helps you as you grow in your journey while in school, while in the workplace. Even if you have a job right now, see what it takes to become an assistant manager, a manager at wherever you work, because that pours into you and that helps you grow throughout your journey. Critical thinking skills. Make sure you're reading, you're utilizing those skills. Problem solving skills are critically important. Logistics. Everything that happens in the world affects logistics. In my role, I'm always looking at what's the impact of the inclement weather. When we had some severe storms, that impacts goods movement and it impacts transportation. But in my job, I have to think about, okay, if that happens, what's next? Or what is our contingency plan?